How to fix the PS4 update 9.03. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix your PS4 update 9.03. But before you get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you might want to do is, let's say that you updated your PlayStation to the 9.3 version and you simply are facing some kind of errors. Now there's no way you couldn't have installed the update, because if you didn't install, online games wouldn't really work. So let's say you installed it. So how do we fix it? So in order to fix your PlayStation update of 9.03, first of all, we're going to go to our menu bar and we will simply select notifications. That's the eye icon over here which you see. Select notifications, and over here you have to look for the 9.03 update. So we will go ahead and look for system software update. As you can see, in my case we don't have the 9.03, but we do have the 9.04 update. So as you can see right over here, what you could do is, now when you hover over it, tap on the options button and at the top select delete, and over here select that particular update file, and we'll come down and select this option which is delete again. Once done, as you can see, that particular update has been deleted. Now you could go ahead and try to restart your PlayStation and see if your issue has been resolved. If not, then you could again head over to settings, and once you go to settings, you could basically go to this option which says system software update and check if your device or your PlayStation console has a new update, basically let's say 9.5 or 9.7 or 10, and simply update it to that version, and hopefully that would fix the issue. Last but not the least, what I would recommend you do is to go to Initialization, go to Initialize PS4 and then try to do a full reset if you want, or you could try the quick one perhaps before trying to do the full one. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve the issue, and if it did help solve the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.